Good morning at dito po tayo sa Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. At ito po yung testing ng bigger capacity ng ating compact rice mill, which is 30 bucks per hour, 32 bucks per hour. So ito po yung setup nila, loading. Meron silang free cleaning dito. Dalawa na pong free cleaning. So, okay lang. Mas maganda po yan. Tignan po natin yung quality ng milling. Brown rice. Then, ungraded. Yan. Then dito po tayo sa graded. Yun. Ganda po. Of course, may golden disc machinery. Kasi bigger na po. 1,500, 30 bucks per hour, 30 to 32. Kaya si Nonoy. Yung installer dito. So, good morning from Isulan, Sultan Kudarat.